One of my must-have creams to have on hand at all times in review today is the Bioderma Cicabio Crème, and this is what the tube looks like. It does contain 3 repairing active ingredients that act at every stage of the biological skin reconstruction process. Its antibacterial agents purify the epidermis, which is the top layer of the skin, and helps reduce discomfort and reduce the urge of itching, like a sting sometimes or even a burn. You do get this tube in 2 sizes, a 40 ml and a 100 ml, and they are priced around $10 to $15 in the US and the UK. Alright, so I love this cream, and it's a staple in my skincare cabinet. Now I use it every time I visit the salon and get either threaded, waxed, or even plucked anywhere on my face. It soothes my skin down completely within 10 to 15 minutes from applying this. I don't have sensitive skin, but over the years my skin has gotten sensitive, and that's just maybe from all the products I use. This cream can also be used if you have eczema or even after doing any kind of laser treatments, even after a tattoo. And my favorite time to use this is when you have a cold and you've blown your nose a lot and you see your nose getting really dry and peeling. This is the perfect cream to use on the nose, lips, forehead. This for me is my saving grace, and I love it, and I can't recommend it enough. And the best part about it is that it's so affordable. Once I'm done waxing and threading, I just dust and clean the skin and apply this in the salon if I've taken it with me, or as soon as I'm back. And if needed, sometimes reapply it as a base for my makeup. I would highly recommend this if you have dry or sensitive skin, even acne prone skin. But overall, I think this would work for all skin types. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here for you to read. In the US, you can find this at Walgreens and the online Bioderma website. In the UK, you can find it at Look Fantastic. In India, you can find it at Nykaa, Flipkart. And in the UAE, most of the pharmacies carry Bioderma, Bashara Care, Noon.com. You can always find it on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box down below, so go check that out. You'll be surprised to know that Bioderma isn't a cruelty-free company. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next. Bye!